How's it going, guys? Pops Momentum here. This is day 20 of the $400 to $1 million trading challenge. As you can see, we're up just over $35 in the account today. Basically exactly the same as yesterday. Took 8 trades today. Green on all 8 trades. Took 11 trades yesterday. 2 more after I posted the YouTube video. Just super small ones because I didn't have much buying power left. So that now makes it 19 trades in a row that I'm green. Insane streak. Super awesome. The market is just freaking crazy right now. Honestly, it's unfortunate. I left tons of money on the table. Totally could have made so much more today, but you pay a price to manage risk, and you pay a price for confirmation. 2 very important things. Yeah, man, I totally could have gambled and made tons of money today, but I'm just trying to be consistent. Could have caught one of the massive dumps that happened today, could have blew my account. So I would rather be careful. Yeah, so actually I was up at 4 a.m. today. It's actually even earlier in my time, but I was up at 4 a.m. Eastern anticipating crazy squeezes to happen. And DSY did get an insane, this is the craziest move I've ever seen in my life. So, and unfortunately, Webull decided to not give me my buying power till about 15 minutes after pre-market opened. I just had no settled cash, no buying power. And so I had to watch this 5,000% squeeze happen completely without me. Not a good start to the morning. I still kind of feel immune to FOMO, but I can't help but feel like that hurts. But anyways, guys, first trade of the day was on DSY, actually, on this candle, right after 7 a.m. for the break of this candle's high, looking for the squeeze through this candle's high, and hopefully squeeze through these highs. Sold on this candle as it formed a doji. Got back in on the next candle for the squeeze through these highs. Sold on this red candle as it broke below 850. Yeah, I thought we were going to get a squeeze through these highs, potentially back up to VWAP, but it just didn't happen. Still 2 good trades, green on both. Scalped MMA, bunch of quick trades. Let me get on the 10-second here. Of course, could have made so much if I just held throughout the entire move, but it's just, you never know, guys. Got in this one early. I guess I say early, it already squeezed like 60%, but got in on this candle for the break of this candle's high after that pullback. Sold on this red candle showing some resistance. Didn't take this trade. Got back in on this candle for the break of the pre-market high. Sold as this candle closed. Didn't take this trade. Got in on this candle for the break of the pre-market high. Got in, after the pullback, break of the pre-market high. Sold as this candle closed. Bit of a topping tail, showing some resistance. Could have gotten a little bit better of an exit, but still great. My next trade was on YOUL. I was very skeptical and didn't take trades on this for the initial huge move because it has a much higher float than I would normally trade. But I did finally take a trade on this candle for the break of this candle's high, break of the pre-market high. Thought about it on this candle for the break of the highs, but paid a price for a little bit of more confirmation. Rode it up to this candle. Could have gotten a much better exit, but I sold as the candle closed, formed a bit of a topping tail. Of course, I could have gotten a bit better of an exit, but still a great trade. Just really tough. Setups are just not working exactly the same when it's super hot like this, but took a super small trade on BON when I didn't really have much buying power left. Got in on this candle for the break of the highs. and sold on this candle as it formed a topping tail. Super good trade percentage wise, but I just had no money to use. And then I did take one trade on CWD, which was way back here on this candle for the break at the pre-market high. I got filled a little bit high, but and then sold on this candle as it broke back below 550. And then look at this move. My word, all the way up to 56. I mean, just let me zoom out and take note that I sold down here, just about where that red dot is. That is just insane. And man, if I had buying power, I mean, there was a couple trades that wouldn't have worked like this, but man, just sad. I mean, to miss out on this, but looks like things might be dying down now. But yeah, still very glad to see the momentum in this market. So much volume, but can't help but feel like I left a lot of money out. Could have had a much better day, but you know, I feel like I would have been gambling to have much of a better day. Unless I had more buying power, of course, that would be nice. But anyways, guys, hopefully the volume and the hotness stays. I would like it to be a bit less choppy, but it's important to note that there was a few massive dumps that I saw too. I don't exactly remember the tickers, but just some stocks that popped up and dropped super fast, some huge topping tails. I mean, there's tons of things I avoided just for paying the price of risk management and confirmation, you know. Just being super particular on the trades I'm taking. So yes, I missed out on tons of money being made the day, but I also avoided, you know, huge losses. And so, yeah, I think it's more important to be consistent. But anyways, I'll keep posting these videos. Please subscribe if you want to follow my journey. Please like if you like the way I'm doing these videos, and feel free to leave a comment suggesting videos you'd like to see or ways I can do these videos differently. But anyways, have a great day, guys.